Hello friends, welcome to Maths tutorial. In today's video, we will find the multiples of 2. We all know that the number of multiples of any number is infinite. So we will find only the first 10 multiples of 2. So let's move. If we multiply 2 with 1, we will get 2. And if we multiply 2 with 2, we get 4. Multiplying 2 with 3, we get 6. We will get 8 if we multiply 2 with 4. Multiplication of 2 and 5 gives us 10. If we multiply 2 with 6, we get 12. Multiplying 2 with 7, we get 14. Multiplication of 2 and 8 gives us 16. Multiplying 2 with 9, we get 18. And if we multiply 2 with 10, we get 20. So look that we have obtained the first 10 multiples of 2, which are the orange ones. Those are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. In the same way, we can find other multiples of 2 also. Thank you for watching.